multiply them first, everything. Okay, so it will be 15 to the 30, 17 3 to the 51, 19 4 to the 76, 20 plus p into 5p, keep it as it is. 23 into 6, 138. Now summation, add all these. So what will happen? All these addition will be 15 plus 5p, this one. And here all this addition will be 295 plus 5p into this same as it is, 20 plus p. Okay. Now what is this? Summation fi xi, and what is this? Summation fi. So what is the formula for mean? Mean is x bar equals to summation fi xi upon summation fi. So we know mean 20 equals to this 295 plus 100, multiply this 100p plus 5p square upon fi is this 15 plus 5p. Solve them, cross them, so it becomes 20 equals to divided by 5 everything, 59 plus 20p plus p square upon 3 plus p. Solve them, cross this, so it becomes 60 plus 20p equals to 59 plus 20p plus p square. Therefore solve them again, so it becomes p square equals to 1. Why? Because everything gets cancelled. See, this 20p 20p 59 goes on this side, so 1. P square equals to 1. So p equals to, it should be plus or minus 1, but check in the exam what options are given. If only plus 1 is given, then write plus 1, or if plus or minus 1 is given, write plus or minus 1. Right? Both can be the answers. The median of a given frequency distribution is found graphically with the help of ogive. Now what is ogive? Here, an ogive is a shape consisting of an concave arc flowing into convex arcs, forming an S-shaped curve with vertical ends. Here it's like this. It is more than ogive like this curve and less than ogive like this curve, and where it meets, that is known as the. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.